Save this video if you want to try the America's famous smoothie chain, and it's finally here in Singapore. Hi kay Gala! Are you planning to visit Universal Studios Singapore soon? Tara, samahan niyo ako. When you visit USS, please drop by to the famous Jamba Juice located near at the Singapore's largest food truck and container park. Dahil sa init ng panahon dito sa Singapore, lalo na kakalakad, mauuhaw ka talaga, and the best way, aside water, i-elevate mo yan. Higala, mag-smoothies ka. Marami yan dito sa Singapore. But I tried the Jamba Juice since it's all 100% natural and no extra flavoring added. Oh, diba? San ka pa? And for my order, I choose Jamba's Classic Strawberries Wild Smoothies with apple strawberry juice blend with fat-free vanilla yogurt and strawberries and bananas. But you can choose from over 4 categories of smoothies. Meron silang classic, plant-based, creamy treat, and power. Oh, diba? San ka pa? Solid talaga. Ang order ko na the Strawberries Wild, katamtaman lang ang tamis, and good thing, nag-o-over yung lasa ng banana and strawberry kasi all natural nga ang ingredients na nilagay at hindi food color, ha? So ano pang hinihintay mo? Grab a healthy and nutritious smoothies paired with the plant-based burger of Good Burger. Oh, diba? Busog ka na before you enter or after your Universal Studios Singapore adventure. Uy, hanggang sa susunod na food trip here in Singapore. Ingats and God bless.